Hey guys, Josh here. I got a special video for you guys today. I'm over at a buddy's house and we're melting aluminum from the aluminum cans. What do we melt, like 100 or so, give or take? And right now we have a simple setup of just a galvanized steel bucket, plaster of Paris, and a ceramic crucible with sand. And we got a cheap hair dryer from Walmart, an iron pipe, PVC pipe. Spent about, what, $150 you spent on it? Just to melt down some cans in his free time. And I know everybody likes to see liquid metal and have all that good stuff, so stay tuned. This is going to be a transition, and we're going to transition you guys where we're going to pour the metal into the cake tins we got right there, the cupcake tins. Alright guys, stand by. Alright guys, I'm back. We're going to be starting to pour the aluminum into the molds right now. Stay tuned. Whatever you do, don't drop it. It's not bad for a first time. What? Dude, this is awesome. Dude, you could probably fill that whole cake tin up.
I hope so. It's getting really hot on my gloves though.
Put it back in the
I put it on top of the coal.
So we got a couple of them here. And it's a new cake tin, so we're gonna stay tuned and we'll fill you in with another installment while we dump them out and quench them. Alright guys, we're back. We're ready to quench. Those came out really easy. Man, those non-stick pans are really really awesome. It's bubbling and fizzing.
Swan.
What is it, like an Avogadro's drop or something?
I don't know. It looks like a swan to me.
It looks pretty good.
Keep that.
Pretty soon they're gonna be cool enough to touch. Stand by. Hey guys, I'm back. This is the finished product in all its glory. It roughly weighs maybe 2 to 3 ounces standard. Yeah, going from a cheaply made Crucible to the finished product just with aluminum cans. Alright guys, this is a special video. This is Josh Silver out.